What's going on, everyone? So today we're going to be talking about Cardano. We're going to be doing a technical analysis on Cardano today and pretty much telling where Cardano is going to be going after this. So definitely hit that like button and subscribe. It definitely helps the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that in the link below. And then I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. But let's go straight over Cardano right now. So right now, what I'm seeing here with Cardano, we were slowly but surely trying to get up here to this resistance, but it looks like it really doesn't want to. And if that happens, that's kind of bad because that means that we're getting lower highs. So let's just say Cardano stops here at their high, and then Cardano doesn't get all the way up to this resistance all the way up here around 60 cents. If we can't get past 60 cents, then what you're going to see Cardano do is pull back to the next area where we had high demand for Cardano. And these green indicators down here pretty much indicate whether Cardano is having high demand or the low demand, which will be the red areas. And right now we're going towards that green area high demand. So if we do a pullback, it's actually good for Cardano because it gives us the momentum necessary to get up to the next level of resistance. So that's actually what we want. We want this pullback for Cardano back to about 54 cents, possibly even down to about 53 cents. But whatever happens, we need this pullback to happen so then we can have some buying opportunities and then we can have momentum built in Cardano. And I think the bottom of this pullback could probably lead us back down to like 50 cents. And that's really when Cardano started taking off, let's be honest, around the 30th of May. And I know it didn't like take off like huge, but still, it went all the way from about 51 cents all the way up to about 68 cents. So that's a pretty good run up. So I think Cardano has some pullback areas to go back to, probably about 51 cents, like I said, and then we'll see another pump coming in Cardano. And something that kind of confirms this thesis over here is this right here. It says the 24-hour market control is in control by the bulls by 60%, right? So pretty much we're 60% bullish. But this whole area here from the 1st of June all the way till now, I know it's only 2 days, but look, that's an overbought area. We were pretty much overbought. We had so much purchasing going on inside Cardano. We went from what, 53 cents out to 58 cents. That's still a good amount of purchasing in Cardano. But now you're seeing that purchasing starting to wane down, and it's pretty much showing you a bearish movement here on the oscillator. And then, yeah, the next that we're going to see is selling volume coming in. And that's exactly what's going to bring us down to these levels. Maybe we don't go all the way down to 51 cents, but we may see a 54-cent Cardano. Maybe we see a 53-cent. It's probably going to happen. It's probably inevitable right now. We're just going to see that pullback. So there is that possibility. And this is the short term. Remember, this is only the 15-minute chart. If we look at it from the 4-hour chart, you're going to see something way different. And this is what you really want to look at if you're really just a long-term Cardano holder. Like, I think Cardano is definitely a good coin to hold long-term. But anyways, look over here. The bulls are in control of the 24-hour market by 80% here with Cardano. So that's actually pretty big. And we're actually coming off of an oversold area. And every single time we have an oversold area, even like back here, we literally go into this purchasing area where we just get bullish because we are just way too oversold. And then when we hit the bottom, the bulls came in to ramp it up and make that profit. So what you're seeing here now is the bulls, they're pretty much going to come back in and try to get us back above this resistance. Because look right here, I'm going to go ahead and zoom in on this area here. This is actually a good area to show. But look, we started to become bullish here, but then we got stopped out by this resistance. That was around about 65 cents, right? So we got stopped at 65 cents right here. And now we're about to go and try to retest it again. And if we get rejected again at 55 cents or at 65 cents, then we're pretty much going to see Cardano almost 100% go back down to about 43 cents or somewhere around there. If we get rejected again around 65 cents, you could see that happening. Remember, I'm not a financial advisor, none of this financial advice. I'm just telling you what could happen here, and this is a possibility. If we get rejected again, I mean, that's getting rejected twice, and then a third time is like, okay, you're 100% going down after a third time. But anyways, literally anything can happen inside of this crypto market. But yeah, I definitely think Cardano is probably going to try to retest the 65-cent area over time. If we get rejected again, you know exactly what's going to happen there. But that's pretty much all I got for the technicals. Now, I do want to show some other stuff. Cardano up 5.6% for the day. So even though we're not looking too good right now, as in the technicals, we are still looking good with price. I mean, that's still good, 5.6% inside of a day. I mean, look at all the other cryptos. Everything else is trying to recover too, but they're just not doing as good as Cardano. I mean, Ethereum only at 0.5%, Bitcoin at 2.2% is pretty good for Bitcoin. But, everything else over here is like not doing as good as Cardano, let's be honest. 6% for Cardano. There's some other ones that are doing, fairly well, but Cardano for the top 30, they're doing the best. So anyways, moving on from that, we're still going to be having this event on the June 8th, Austin, Texas. So that'll be pretty cool. The consensus 2022 for Cardano. So I don't know what's going to be going on there. So if you go there, definitely let me know about what's going on. But yeah, anyways, also over here, I was looking at this article and they're talking about how investors are frustrated inside Cardano because we keep seeing these nice gains and then they just get taken away immediately. And I'm seeing that a lot for Cardano. So I don't know, maybe it's something that needs to be addressed, but who knows? June 8th, we're gonna get that addressed by the people from Cardano Foundation. So we're gonna see that coming soon. But anyways, this is pretty much all I got for you all today. Definitely hit that like button and subscribe. It really does help the YouTube channel out immensely for the YouTube algorithm. Go ahead and leave a comment in the comment section and let me know what you all want me to go over next. And if you want to become a member of the channel, definitely go ahead and do that. And I'll go over any crypto that the members want me to go over next. And remember, I'm not a financial advisor. None of this is financial advice. And I'll be back with another video.